right, now we will continue our case to use arithmetic in tNavigator to find well connection, okay, the connection between the blocks, the cells with the well bore. And we will go to the next method or next command, and it will be like this. So I want to add more condition, which is about pressure right now. So we have the first condition. This is to identify connection for producers. Okay, it's only about producer. And then plus, and then the next condition is I want to find connection to producer, but not just producer, but the connection that has, you know, oil saturation greater than 0.5. And now I want to put more condition, and it's about pressure. And I want to find connection with or blocks with pressure greater than 120. Okay, and I want to find or I want to include all these conditions into just one condition. And how do I do that? I use parentheses. First, I'm going to open this one. Okay, so I only have one parenthesis, and then this also within a parenthesis. Let me close it. And overall, I want to combine them into one parenthesis. So this is how we write it. And just remember this coloring. And if I click on apply, you will have more cells being green again. So what does it mean by the red color? The red color meets both the condition, this condition, and this combined condition. Okay, if the cells or blocks meet both conditions, this plus this, we will have red color. So the first condition is this one, that it is a well, it is a producer to be exact. Okay, and of course, these four wells are producers. And for cells or for blocks that only meet this only or that only, it will be colored green. All right. Okay, so this, okay, we can be sure that this red color will have oil saturation greater than 0.5 for sure because of this comment, and for sure the pressure is greater than 120. So can we check that? Let's check the pressure. You see here the pressure greater than 120. The pressure here greater than 120. And you can also check the saturation 0.7 and 0.6. Okay, if we go back to the here, after I identify blocks, with high pressure, for example, and high saturation, maybe I can do something with these blocks or this interval. If this interval hasn't been completed, hasn't been perforated, maybe I can do workover to add perforation at this section and this section. And what about the rest, the green color? It will be up to you. Maybe they do not meet the pressure criteria or the oil saturation criteria, and maybe we will put them in lower priority compared to the red one, because the red one already for sure meet all our criteria, being saturation, having oil saturation greater than 0.5 and being pressurized greater than 120. So that's the usefulness of this command line. Okay, if we handle, yeah, particularly if we handle big model, you will appreciate more the usefulness of this, of this command. All right, and what else do we have? Maybe we will add more condition. And let's say, or not more condition, but I want to replace the condition for pressure to permeability.